Alright guys, I'm selling my motorcycle finally. It's a 2006 CBR1000RR. Bike's in super good condition. Took a lot of pictures and videos so that whoever's coming to look at this bike will know what they're getting. It's not perfect, but it's in very, very good shape. You can see right here some nicks in the paint. But overall, this bike's in really, really good shape. You can see the tires. This does come with a brand new front tire to match the back tire. The back tire probably has maybe 1,000 miles on it. See, everything is nice and clean. All these fairings look really, really nice. A little bit of water. Engine casing is nice and clean. Tank doesn't have any rub marks or anything. Got the tank pad on there. This is an HMF slip-on. Other than that, it's just got a K&N air filter. Nothing crazy. Bike's got plenty of power as it is. The only other stuff I changed were this seat cover, just for the passenger seat, and these anodized blue levers. Otherwise, everything is stock. I bought the bike stock. As far as I know, I'm the second owner. Completely stock when I bought it. Doesn't seem like it was ever beat or abused. I've had it for going on 4 years now, I think. And I don't want to sell it, but I just have too much stuff. Time to move out of the house. So CBR's got to go. I can always get another bike in the future. See, the chain is nice and clean. Right here, there's some markings on the engine case. I don't know if maybe the bike was laid down at one point in time, or this is just from rubbing up against something, maybe in storage, but it doesn't look like any kind of like horizontal scrapes or anything as if the bike went down. Like I said, as far as I know, it's never gone down. It's never gone down since I've owned it. But it's super clean, runs very straight, fires right up. It's got almost 18,000 miles on it. Fire it up for you right now. You can see right there, 17,386 miles. This is a cold start, just to show you. I meant to grab the headers before. This is a cold start. Portion of the tail light I just noticed. I think one of the LEDs is out, but the turn signals still work. You can see it's got the flush mount signals. I'll show you the other side. That light's very cheap on eBay to replace if you wanted to replace it, but it does work. It's just that the one half of the brake light LED must have just gone out. This this tag mount I fabricated. It does have the under the seat mount too, but I was getting pulled over for that. So this is a slim way. It's even got LEDs on there. So that's completely legal. You can't get pulled over for that, at least not in Pennsylvania. Nice sleek way to put the tag. So I'll do a quick rev video and I'm gonna throw in my helmet camera and I'll take it around the block and just show you. Runs through the gears real nice, clutch is nice and smooth and everything. Really nothing that the bike really needs. The only thing that I would maybe recommend is doing the fork seals, only because I noticed when I pulled it out of the shed this season, they're a little damp. But it can be ridden this way. I just wouldn't recommend racing or anything. It feels and drives just fine. Like I said, I just recommend doing that. Show you the high beam. But otherwise, it's going to be tough to come across a bike this clean and that runs as smooth as this one. It's been garage kept its entire life. It's only seen the rain maybe a handful of times, and it's only because I got caught in it. Really smooth bike. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know. Thank you.
Alright guys, I just wanted to take this out for a quick ride and show you it runs through all the gears and everything. Can't really feel how the clutch works without riding the bike, but the clutch works good. All the signals and everything work. Bike rides really nice. See? Track's nice and straight. No weird shakes or anything. I have the camera angled down just a little bit. Hopefully it's at the right angle there, so you can kind of get a look at the bike itself as I ride. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Brakes work real good. Like I said, there's not really much that this bike could even use, you know, to make it perfect. Like the only thing, like I said, that tail light I just noticed. The back light, the one, looks like one of the LEDs or half of the LEDs are out, but it still actually works. And I would just get the fork seals replaced, only because I just recommend doing that whenever you buy a bike. You should always get the forks rebuilt. That's just my thing. And guys, I'm sorry, I can't really display the power of the bike or how fast it is, how good it handles, just because this area doesn't really permit that kind of riding. And the cops around here are pretty quick to act. But you know, if you've ever ridden a 1000, you know what you're getting into. You know, it'll pull wheelies in third gear at 110 miles an hour without even popping the clutch. But I feel like I don't even have to really explain that kind of thing on a bike like this. It's just a very, very powerful and fast bike. It's pretty awesome when you ride it. So as I said, if you have any questions, please just send me a message. Shoot me a text message. I usually don't answer the phone to random numbers, so please text first. If you want to talk on the phone, I have no problem doing that too. Just shoot me the text first or leave me a voicemail and I'll call you back. Appreciate you all watching.